Hello students, welcome in JPM PG e-learning classes. Today's topic which I am describing is data manipulation instructions. Subtopic logical and bit manipulation instructions. Second subtopic shift instructions. So let us see logical and bit manipulation instructions. Logical instructions perform binary operations on strings of bits stored in registers. They are useful for manipulating individual bits or a group of bits that represent binary coded information. The logical instructions consider each bit of the operand separately and treat it as a Boolean variable. Some instructions are listed in table. Instruction name, symbol, description. First instruction clear, second clear carry, third set carry, fourth complement carry. Symbol CLR, CLR C यहाँ पर carry. Set C, complement carry COMC. First clear. Description replaces the specified operands by zeros. Second clear carry. Clear carry flag to 0. Flag means stated bit. Third set carry sets the value of carry flag to 1. Fourth complement carry complements the value of carry flag. Fifth instruction complement 6th and 7th or 8th exclusive or 9th enable interrupt, 10th disable interrupt. Symbol com and or exclusive or का X or enable interrupt EI, disable interrupt DI. Description first instruction complement produces one's complement of the operand. Sixth AND instruction performs AND operations on individual bits of the operand. Seventh OR performs OR operations on individual bits of the operand. Eighth instruction exclusive OR performs XOR operations on individual bits of the operand. Ninth enable interrupt used to enable the interrupt flip-flop. Last 10th disable interrupt used to disable the interrupt flip-flop. Next subtopic shift instructions. These instructions are used to shift the contents of an operand one bit to the right or left. या तो right shift होगा या left होगा. And for serial transmission of data. During a shift right operation, the serial input transfers a bit into the leftmost position, and during a shift left operation, the serial input transfers a bit into the rightmost position. Shift instructions may specify either logical shift, arithmetic shift, or circular shift. Circular shift means rotate type operations. Some instructions are listed in table. Instruction name, and symbol. Description in PDF. First instruction, logical shift right. Second, logical shift left. Third instruction, arithmetic shift right. Fourth instruction, arithmetic shift left. Symbol SHR, SHL, SHRA, SHLA. First instruction, logical shift right. Shift SHR right. Logical shift left. SH shift L left. इन दोनों का डिस्क्रिप्शन, द लॉजिकल शिफ्ट इंसर्ट 0 to the end bit position. The end bit position is the leftmost bit for shift right and the rightmost bit position for the shift left. Third instruction, arithmetic shift right. SHRA. Shift R right is arithmetic. Description, the arithmetic shift right instruction must preserve the sign bit in the leftmost position. The sign bit is shifted to the right together with the rest of the number, but the sign bit itself remains unchanged. Fourth instruction, arithmetic shift left. SS shift L left is arithmetic. Description, the arithmetic shift left instruction inserts 0 to the end position and is identical to the logical shift left instruction. Fifth instruction, rotate right. ROR, rotate ROR right. 6. Rotate left. RO rotate L से left. इन दोनों का डिस्क्रिप्शन, the rotate instruction produce a circular shift. Bits shifted out at one end of the word are not lost as in a logical shift, but are circulated back into the other end. 7. Rotate right through carry. RO rotate R right C carry. 8. Rotate left through carry. RO rotate L left C carry. इन दोनों का डिस्क्रिप्शन, rotate left through carry instruction transfers the carry bit into the rightmost bit position of the register. Transfers the leftmost bit position into the carry and at the same time shifts the entire register to the left. In the next lecture, I will describe program control instructions.